Okay, so what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, and on this video today we will be unboxing and we'll have a short product review of an item I got at the SM department store. Alright, so I think I've mentioned on my previous video that for this year or before 2019 ends, I think my goal is to declutter my room of all the unnecessary things. So sa mga wala kabalo, I'm a confessed hoarder. So I store a lot of things, unnecessary things, which I think nga kanang magamit bitaw in the future, and eventually as I, throughout the year, murag daghan na pundo nga mga gamit. So, I have to, let go of some items that I no longer use. So, I'm very much happy of what I've achieved over the past 5 days. And this is one of them. I've installed new set of curtains, and I got this pillow at the Metro Gaisano Colon for only 39 pesos, which is nindot kayang patterns, geometric. Ano siya pinakang PSP game console. So I'm happy with these purchases that I've got. And so one of the goal is to really, make extra space sa akong room na medyo gamay. So one of which is I've made a decision, impromptu decision to buy this product at SM, a department store, because I think this will really help, create a more spacious environment sa akong room. So without further ado, let me reveal to you the item that I got at the SM. So this is a 3D new generation Galaxy electric fan. So most of the stand fans kay mo consume yung space, kay dako siya og base and whatnot, but this one nalanday siya kagamay. So it's just span of your fingers and on ni siya. So medyo giutungan ako gamay ang presyo because it's not that, barato, but I think this is very useful. So it says it has a 360 control knob, and nindot sa siya og color kay very neutral, actually black siya or ash gray. So without further ado, I have my scissors with me, and let's just unpack or unbox this one. Okay, so also one of the reasons why I bought this item is every time I film this video, akong pangon ng electric fan, so alimuot kaayo at this point of time kay saba kayo ang whirl sa sabad or sa balaban. And so with this new item here will help us, have a more quiet environment aside sa silingan o iro nga saba. So with this, mas kwan siya, mas advantage. So we've successfully opened this item, and here's the product. Ito sa gawas ha. Okay. So inside the box na iyahang warranty card, and nasa siya yung manual. So as I've checked, it only consumes 40 watts of power, which is, very economical. Dili kayo siya nakugkaon sa kuryente. So even though you'll have to turn this on overnight or for the entire day, dili na gyud siya inanya kada po og gasto. So let's take off the styro, and then the plastic. So ano siya iyahang front grill, and of course yung likod na siya exhaust. And what I like is sa likod is nga alam mo, muburay ang wire ka kuha na siya, naka-coil na siya inside, so maka-asser na siya eventually. So let's try it out. Ito kataas. See? I think it's about a meter if I'm not mistaken. So taas na siya. More than a meter, I guess. Okay, there you go. Alright, so I got this for 1,800 pesos. Unfortunately, wala siya naka-sale today. So, all you have to do is put it on top of a desk, for example, on this side. And just pwede rin siya nakatong diya. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is put it just a floor. Pwede na sa floor or on my right side naman dali akong rack, so pwede na ko siya patong sa akong rack. So let's try to plug it in and see where it goes. Alright, so ang iyang power ani is very unique kay nadiri sa babaw, and as you can see na siya numbers 1, 2, 3, so 3 siya volume, but ang speed niya na 3 different speed, and then kaning na ay circle 1, 2, 3, it still gives you the same aning pikas, but ang kani siya nga part is swivel imuhang fan from side to side. So before sa conventional na electric fan is mo nang lingo-lingo siya, but this one is the entire body would rotate from left to side if we select kaning na ay circle. So let's try it. I've already plugged it in, and so I'm setting it to na siya indicator, so diri na mo itunong. So right now naka-off siya, so let's put it at number 1. So currently nag-glow na siya. Just very smooth. Hindi siya na nakakusugit siya na dilisad ka panuhoton sa iyang breeze. So number 2 and then number 3. And so I mentioned earlier na if we select katong na ay kuan sana katong na circle nga number mo rotate siya. So let's try it. So naka-off. So now if you've noticed, tuyok siya to the right, and then balik na siya to the other side. Wala ako siya gituyok, ako lang ikuptan sa ibabaw, but nananang yun ang iyang pattern. So it's very sleek, very nice product, and I hope magdugay ni siya. So let's just turn it off. So if you'd like to clean it, there are mga screws. So you just have to unscrew it and clean the inside. Alright, so if you're interested with this product, visit SMCD Cebu department store sa katong pinakaibabaw. I'm not sure if this is also displayed at wala ko na siya nakita sa Ace Hardware or sa I haven't been to SMCTC side, so I'm not sure if they're also selling this one. But again, I bought this at SMCD Cebu for about 1,800 plus 849.75 on its regular price. And yeah, I think that's just it for this video. Hope you like it. I very much like this product. Ano siya kataas? So, 1 meter yung length, which is very slim, and it would really give your room an extra space. So if nagbuy mo electric fan and you wanted to get a new one, try this out, and hope you enjoy, guys. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Bye bye.